Welcome. If you've ever missed an important email because notifications were turned off, don't worry today. I'll show you exactly how to turn on notifications in Gmail, step by step. This quick guide is updated to reflect the latest version of the Gmail app, so you'll have no trouble following along. Let's dive right in. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to the account where you want to receive notifications. Once you're inside the app, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Go ahead and tap it. A panel will slide out with a list of options. Scroll down until you find Settings and tap on it. This will open a list of all the email accounts connected to your Gmail app. If you've got more than one account, choose the one you want to manage notifications for by tapping on it. Next, look for the option that says Manage Notifications. Tap it, and you'll be taken to a screen where all your Gmail notification preferences live. Here's the key part. Toggle on Allow Notifications. Once you've turned this on, Gmail will start sending alerts whenever new emails arrive, depending on your notification setting, whether you choose All, Primary Only, or Important Messages. After you've made your selection, your new settings will be saved automatically. You can exit the Settings menu, and from now on, you'll be notified whenever new emails land in your inbox. Turning on Gmail notifications is that simple. It's a small change that can make a big difference in staying connected and organized. Whether it's work updates, school information, or personal messages, you'll never miss an important email again. If you found this helpful, make sure to check your other notification settings too, like sound and banner style, so you can tailor your alerts exactly how you want them. Now you're all set to stay on top of your inbox with Gmail notifications turned on.